In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding bullet points in Google Sheets. Google Sheets doesn't include a bullet list button like Google Docs, but you can still create clean, readable bullet lists using a few simple tricks. I'll walk you through 3 easy approaches and finish with a quick formatting tip so everything looks great. Let's start with a straightforward copy and paste method. Click into the cell where you want the bullet by double clicking it, or press F2 to begin editing. Open a new browser tab and search for bullet symbol. At the top of the results, you'll see a small dot character. Highlight that dot, copy it, then come back to your sheet and paste it right into the cell. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. After you paste the bullet, type a space and then your text. You only need to copy the bullet once. You can paste it as many times as you like in other cells or lines. If you prefer not to switch tabs, you can insert a bullet directly from your keyboard. On Windows, press Alt+7 using the numeric keypad. On a Mac, press Option+8 or Option+Shift+9 if you prefer a hollow bullet style. As soon as the bullet appears, add a space and type your text. If your Windows laptop doesn't have a numeric keypad, the copy and paste method is a reliable alternative. Now, if you want multiple bullet points inside the same cell, for example, a short list that stays together, start by double-clicking the cell or pressing F2. Insert your bullet and type your text. When you're ready for a new bullet on a new line within that same cell, press Ctrl+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on a Mac. Repeat that pattern, bullet, space, text, then the shortcut for a new line, and continue until your list is complete. Keeping each bullet on its own line makes the content much easier to scan. To make sure your bullets display correctly and nothing gets cut off, apply wrapping. Go to the top menu, choose Format, then Wrapping, and select Wrap. This ensures all lines of your bullet list are fully visible inside the cell without spilling over into neighboring cells. And that's it. You've learned how to add bullets by pasting a symbol using quick keyboard shortcuts and stacking multiple bullets in a single cell, plus how to wrap the text so it looks clean. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.